Water is probably my favorite drink. I know, sounds weird, right? But I've never liked cola, I never liked Sprite or any juice as much as I love water. And there are so many different types in the supermarket that sometimes you get all confused. And is there any difference between the flavors? It's just a marketing ploy. Today's series of trying out all the different things in supermarket, I'm gonna try out water. Since there are so many different brands, different flavor, I'm gonna start with Lavie and their offering of water first, and then we see how it goes. Okay, so in the supermarket, I can find this 5 flavor. I don't know if in your supermarket nearby you can find other flavor, but these are the one that I can find. Okay, let's start with the original flavor of Lavie. I have known this water brand all my life, and I guess this is the only water that. So here the bottle it has been like this in a long term, 500 ml, and then it says that the pH level is 8.0. If you can see here, I'm not sure if you can see, or plus minus 0.5. Okay, original. And all of this I'm gonna try in cold because I'm not a barbaric and I love cold water. Ooh, good as always. Okay, the twist is very easy to use. Well, there's nothing to comment about. I like how this one is just the right size when you're walking around, shopping, and then drinking water along the way. Next one, they have light flavor Lavie. I'm not sure what it means though. Lavie light water with essence from natural mineral source. Well, if you compare with the original flavor, okay, so in terms of packaging, they look pretty much the same, just a lighter color in blue if you see. Blue, darker blue for the original and lighter blue for the light Lavie. And then in this, visual of the mountain, you can see that the original has magnesium, calcium, potassium. I think K is potassium. And then here the magnesium, calcium, and no potassium. So maybe the light one doesn't have potassium. Let's see what's the difference. Like natural spring water, hydrocarbonate, natri, calcium, magnesium, yeah, kali, fluoride, iode. The light Lavie has less natural mineral inside, if you can hear. So probably that's why it's lighter. In terms of color, it looks the same to me. I can't really tell the difference. And yeah, the cap is white. The color is a bit lighter than the original one. So let's see if it is the same. Wow, it is lighter. Well, I didn't expect that. When you drink, the mouthfeel feels lighter on in your mouth. And then in this, yeah, for the original one, you have an aftertaste of water. Not bad or anything, you just know that, oh, I feel the mineral, I feel there is some aftertaste, heavier body. But then in this light Lavie, it doesn't have that mineral aftertaste. It is have a softer feel in your mouth. So it is what they advertise it is. Cool. Next, we gonna have this. Okay, Lavie using recycled bottle. Are these water not recyclable? So the same amount of pH. This design though, it looks more premium than the original or the light version. So usually we see this more premium bottle in a restaurant or at the club or anything fancy that you have to pay triple for a bottle of water. So maybe that's the price. And let's see what the ingredient looks like compared to the original one. So here in this bottle, it looks like it has hydrocarbonate, calcium, kali, fluoride. Well, it looks the same in terms of ingredient of the minerals. Literally, I cannot find the difference now. I will show you guys the ingredient here. So maybe if you can read them and pause the video right here to see if there is any difference in terms of ingredient. So this is the fancier one and this is the original one. Okay, I cannot see anything. So if they are saying in this, it's just using recyclable bottle, which means this original one is not recyclable. I can't see the difference. Yeah, so for this bottle, the original one, they don't say that it's using recyclable bottle. Plastic Sorry, this doesn't have the word recyclable plastic. This one is using recyclable plastic. So maybe this water is not recyclable. I'm not sure what it means actually. Now they just use a lot of marketing jargon to confuse us. So yeah, it tastes the same mouthfeel, but I do feel like there is less of the mineral flavor. Let's try this again. No, I'm wrong. It's just in my brain. I'm just imagining it. It's the same. It's the same mineral feel after you drink the water, and the same body in the mouth. Yeah, it's completely the same. I guess it's just, well, the bottle is, the volume is 700 ml and this one is 500. Yes, correct. 500 and 700 ml. So this one is just slightly bigger, fancier to use in the restaurant. But in terms of flavor, in terms of texture, it tastes the same. Next one, another fancy bottle. This is most, I think in many restaurants they use this as their fancier bottle of water. I remember if you buy this in the restaurant or in the club would be like triple the price. So yeah, let's see. But yeah, it should taste different because the minerals is different. In terms of pH level, is the same, pH 8 plus minus 0.5, and the volume is only 400 ml. It has a softer feel when you drink it, not as light as the Lavie light, but it's also not as the original Lavie, if you know what I mean. So, and then aftertaste, it has a more mineral aftertaste. Also, it's less than the mineral aftertaste, the original one. Yeah, so this one is still a little bit thicker, but a little bit less strong than the other two. This has a very fragrant aftertaste, so there's that. I do see why when you go to a fancy place and you order this, you feel like this belongs in this restaurant and I'm willing to pay like almost $10 for this bottle. Okay, and the sports one, or at least this is what they have marketing it to be, like the kind of water you use after you go on a run, or you use it when you are thirsty after exercise. So there's that. And the sports one, or at least this is what they advertise to us as the one to use after you exercise or when you are super thirsty, then you just drink it. Okay, so for this one, the whole gimmick of this bottle is the squeeze bottle rather than the open cap bottle. That's the first difference. And of course, in terms of volume, this one is 750 ml. 750 ml. Somewhere in between the 500 and the... This has the most amount of water compared to all other bottles. So let's see the ingredients of the water. Okay, hydro, nitrate, calcium, magnesium, kali, fluoride. Oh, it's the same as the original flavor and this recyclable bottle water. And yeah, it looks, in terms of, yeah, they don't say anything overly special. pH 8 plus minus 0.5. And yeah, so the only thing, so for me when I hold this, of course it's heavier than this bottle. It's way heavier because it's like 250 ml more, and also the design is bigger. So for me, it's a little bit uncomfortable in the hand to hold. So I guess if after exercise when you're super thirsty, this wouldn't be a problem because you want more water. And then the squeeze bottle would be more fun, I guess. Let's see, how do you open this? Okay. Is it? Okay. Oh, this one is very big in terms of the opening, so it's not really a squeeze one, if you can see it. It's not like a tiny stream. Oh my god, I spilled all over my face. So it is way harder to drink than this. Oh, I guess I wanted to be more convenient to squeeze it, but it is not a good design. And the water coming out is not a continuous stream, it's just one drop, and then after I try to squeeze it and it starts to have a little bit more. But yeah, sorry for you. Sorry that you have to see that. It was so, yeah, not nice. In terms of flavor, it tastes exactly the same as this one. Still buy the original one, simply because maybe this is easier for me to hold, easier to drink. This one is just a little bit cumbersome. So yeah, here are the 5 flavors of Lavie bottle that I have tried. If I were to rank the water I like the most, then I like this one, the fanciest bottle, simply because it's not too strong in terms of flavor and mineral. The flavor in the mouth wouldn't be so thick. But then if you are on a normal day when you buy something, then yeah, the original one would be my second best choice, simply because they are much cheaper than this bottle and I don't need to pay that much for water bottle. And yeah, and then after that, maybe I wouldn't buy this bottle simply because it's not easy for me to hold compared to this bottle, and it literally tastes the same. So there's that. I would never buy this one. This light flavor is, I guess it's just for fun, and I think this is more like a preference in taste. So yeah, if you like this one more, then it's for you. And of course the sports bottle is a bit cumbersome to drink, so yeah, I would never buy this. So these are the two that I would go for if I was in a supermarket and I need something to drink. I will buy this too. Okay, thank you everyone for watching today's review video of Lavie water that you can find in supermarket. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe to see more of this review of product from the supermarket. See you next time.